Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy N31LE, and today I'm going to be showing you how to tune your 2023 BMW S1000RR with the BT Moto handheld tuner. Okay, I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about this, and I forgot to do it in these months that I've been doing stuff. I've had, got the Hayabusa build going. This is a little secret, and then my old Honda. So got a lot of stuff to work on. My fault, I'm getting things done one by one. The Busa's almost finished, you know what I'm saying? We got everything basically ready to go. Just did the lights, that video will be later. You'll see that on the way. Just did the headlight, you'll see that one later as well. Yeah, as you can see, my garage is a freaking mess. So let's get this, this tune video on the way. Let's get it.
Get out the way, you got a watch, you got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want bigger rocks. I got plans, I got talk. That is real cheap, but it's really go close. I'm trying to get these ends.
All right, so first things first, you're gonna wanna get your flasher and you're gonna wanna have the key to your rear seat. So go ahead and unlock this bad boy. See if I can do it with one hand, yes. Let's go ahead and put this here, boop. You're gonna wanna go into your seat and look for this little connector cable right here. Squeeze that, pull it out, and this is what it looks like. So this part will connect to your BT Moto handheld flasher. Now, one good practice is you wanna go ahead and connect your bike to a charger just in case this takes a long time. So, the last thing you want to do is brick your ECU to your bike. So go ahead and, just from like the battery dying. So go ahead and plug it up to the charger and then stick the connector to your flasher into your bike. And once you connect it, you'll see it turns on. This is what your flasher should look like. So if you're going from the stock file to the tune file, it'll look a little bit different because I'm going from tune file to tune file. So I'm going from the E85 tune back to the 93 tune because we're doing another video today. We're doing 2 videos in one day, boy. You know what I'm telling you? You know what I'm saying? So let's do it. Can't run E85 where I'm going because there is no E85 station. So we're gonna go ahead and switch it back to the old 93. I don't know if you guys can see that too well, but first thing it says is work. You're gonna wanna go there. It's going to go to protocol, writing, and again, it's gonna say original or modified. We're not going back to the original tune. This is what you would go to the original tune if you were taking your bike to the dealership to get it serviced. So this is the only situation where you go to the original. But since we're going from tune file to tune file, I'm gonna go down to modified, and it's gonna tell me all the tunes that I have. So S1, that's not the one we want. We want S2, and of course I have the E85, which is already, that's the one that's on the bike right now, so I'm not gonna re-download that. So I'm gonna go to S2, that's my 93 tune, that's the stage 2 from BT Moto. I'm gonna hit OK. It's gonna open the file. And of course the bike isn't on yet, so wait for that. So it says, please connect your vehicle to a battery, yada yada, in order to use the serial number, blah, 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 blah. Hit OK. Switch on the dashboard. Let's go ahead and do that. You know, we got the beautiful M logo, you know. Switch on the dashboard, check the connections, hit OK. It's gonna communicate. So make sure to perform the reading of the vehicle. You don't have to do that since you have the files already on there. Hit OK. It's gonna identify the ECU. And this is why they say plug your bike into the charger while you're doing this, because this may take a while for it to do its process. So the last thing you want to do is have your lights on, your bike on, and then your battery dies while this is doing its thing, because like I said, you will brick your ECU and your bike will be basically useless and you'll have to get a new ECU. So it's saying switch off the dashboard to continue. Then switch that off, hit OK. It's going to tell you to turn it back on. Connect your battery, of course, switch on the dashboard. And you're going to do this a few times, okay? So let it load. Switch on the dashboard. It's going to communicate. And it's going to start programming. So what you're going to notice is your bike is going to stop making that humming noise. It's going to say no communication. That's normal. As you can hear, the bike stopped making the humming noise. All the lights are on. This is completely normal, guys, so don't worry. So your bike should start making its noise again once your file is completed. And everything should go back to normal. It's going to tell you to turn off the bike again. Off. Hit OK. Connect your battery. It's going to tell you to turn it back on again so it can check it. It's communicating and it's going to say completed. And that's it, guys. Switch on. Oh, well, one more time. Switch off the dashboard. Writing ECU completed. Analyzing the log. And that's it. So one thing you want to do if you ride with the race pro modes, you're going to want to go ahead and reselect that. I think this is like a 23 and a 24. I don't want to say it's like an issue, but if you notice, it's back in road mode. And if you try to switch it, road mode is going to be the only one selected. So go back to settings. I think it's vehicle settings, riding mode pre-selection, and then just reselect your race modes. So I do Race Pro 1, that's the one that I ride in. I do rain, and I don't know what the other one is. I'm just gonna leave it on. Maybe Race Pro 2, I don't know. I don't use anything else but Race Mode 1. So once you do that, go ahead and reselect whatever mode you want to ride in and let it to do its thing. But that's how easy it is to flash your bike. So thank you guys for watching. I know I'm a little bit sweaty. It's hot in here, but like I said, we're working this summer, man. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it. If you like today's video, hit the like button. Also, subscribe to this channel. That way, whenever I drop any new content, you'll be the first to know. If you have any comments, drop them down below. Remember, I'm here for you guys. So anything you want to see, let me know and I'll make the video for you. Thanks for tuning in.